Hey guys, today I'm going to show you an app that you can use and edit your photos. App name is inshot. Look at here, just click. If this is your first time on my channel, please you can like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you. So what we are going to do is click on photos, select a photo of your choice. Okay. This one here we do this manner. Very nice photo. So just go to the canvas, you have many options here for Facebook. You really have many options depending on which one you like, but for me, let me go for this. Click. Full or not? Yeah. This. Go over to the background. You can even change the background. Something like this. You can change it to see something like this. You can change it to any background of your choice, but now let me use the main background. Yeah. Go to filter, many filters. Yeah, so filters, you can just select on anyone you like. Yeah, here they said we should pay $1.99. Just leave that. You can see skip that. You can choose this effect, this one, this, something like this. Choose like this. Wow, shit. This one like this. Let me choose this one. Just click like this. You can adjust anything you want to adjust. Contrast, warmth, tints, saturation, fade, highlights, shades. Any you really your choice. Yes. Crop with the photos. Okay. You can use any stickers of your choice. You can even use your photo as a sticker. Something like this we do. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Put color on it. Just something like this. Then you can add frames on something like this. Frames. Then just save it. Ta-da! Video save.